pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey everybody, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi. I'm so very glad you clicked on this video. I am actually doing my Ipsy Plus for February 2021 unboxing. I should say unbagging now. And I've got a few products in here that I want to share with you, and I will put prices on the screen and all of that fun stuff. So if you're new, talk to me down below in the comments. And if you are not new, thank you so much for returning. Guys, I decided to use both of these foundations and they were my choices. So if you want to see what I got in the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and how everything works, stay tuned, okay? All right, guys, let's open up our Glam Bag Plus. I'm really excited. This came today, and it's President's Day. Wouldn't think there'd be mail today. But if you remember the choices, there were foundations in there, and I chose both foundations, the Makeup Forever and the Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I've been so excited waiting to get it. Ooh, yes. All right. The bag is cute. Super heavy with these foundations in it. Let's see what all I got. All right. Here's the card. It says February 2021. Incredible payoff, innovative formulas, exclusive shades, inspiring founders. Oh, it says celebrate Black History Month by Black. Oh, I love that. That's awesome. Okay, let's see. Do this these months. Aw. All right, so we've got Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation. I will put the prices on the screen for you guys. Let's open her up. I wonder if we all got the same shades. I'm just wondering if they did it that way or not. Okay, this here, super pretty. Let's see if the shade matches. There's a pump. Ooh, okay, here it is here. I do not have any primer on or anything, but it looks like this shade might work for me. We'll have to see. I haven't tanned in a while, so yeah. I'm getting a little bit lighter, but let me go ahead and get some primer on, and then we'll try this foundation out. So I've got some serum on, that serum primer kind of stuff. It's not really a primer, but that's okay. We are not going anywhere today. We're just trying out these foundations, so I don't need my makeup to last forever. Oh, Makeup Forever. It's cute though. All right, so I've never tried this foundation, and I've always wanted to. And it is a light to medium coverage for sure. It's pretty liquidy. I bet you it would work better with a brush, buffing it in, than with a beauty blender. So I'll have to try it in the future with that. And being that it is a little bit light, I can go ahead and maybe check out the other foundation that's in my bag too. Kind of excited for this, for both of these. Okay, so we're going to put Makeup Forever aside. And we're going to pull out the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation. This is a 320 neutral. And I've heard some good things, but also not so good things about this foundation. So, and this looks a little light as well. Let me see. Pump. Come on. It's pretty much the same and the same consistency. So Let's see. A little bit darker, actually. Let's see how it works. Since the other one was so light, we can definitely add this. I think it's okay. It seems like it's all right. I don't know how each of them will wear, but I'm super excited that in a $20 bag, I get 2 full-size foundations. I mean, you cannot beat that. Ipsy definitely killed it this month. Okay, cool. All right, so we are definitely going to want to set this and then move on to see what else is in our bag. I'm so excited. All right, so we've got the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation and the Makeup Forever foundation. Just give me a minute and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so did my brows and look at the bag. The bag's cute. It's different. They have different material each time they send out bags. And the other 2 items I got in here was by the Cream Shop. This here is the Glow Ampoule Serum. It is taped, so let's open her up. And, ooh, cute packaging. What does she do? Peach Essence Argan Oil. I'm going to try a few drops in the back of my hand. Feels like any other serum. It smells pretty good. It says apply 2 to 5 drops after cleansing and toning. Optional, may be used day and night daily. That's what it says, day and night daily. Okay, and the other thing is this Beauty Stat Universal C Refiner. This actually I found on a few different websites if you had seen my spoiler video. And there was many different prices out there for it. And there was like even a monthly subscription for this stuff. So I was like, you could get it monthly and save money. And I want to say it lowered the price of it by doing that. But again, why would we need something like this monthly? Vitamin C brightens, retexturizes, and firms. That's what it says it does. Let's open her up. Okay, it looks like a thick cream. Very soft. It feels like you're putting a primer on. That's very different for me. It really does feel that way. Okay, so the last thing I got is this All About Faced Fluid Eye Paint. So Boxy and Ipsy both have Halsey's new line, About Face. And I got the lip in my Boxy and I wasn't too happy with it. Do I have it over here? The reason being is because the color kept breaking up and there was dark spots and light spots on my lips. And here is the eye paint. So we're going to try her out. I did put some primer on my eyes. Let's see. We could use this as liner, I'm sure. Right now, I just want to see how it looks on my lid, what kind of brush I can use with it. Her line's supposed to have like multi-purpose too, so I like the color. I'm not sure how it would work as a liner, but it blends okay and it dries down nicely. Should we try the other eye to see if we could use that as a liner? Let me grab a liner brush here. Got a little liner brush. We are gonna try to take some off the wand right here. And then I'm gonna take it and just put enough of what I need on here. Let's see how it does as a liner. Okay. These are definitely gonna have to be built for sure. And you can't use too much at once. So it might take you a minute. I do like the color. I will say that the consistency is creamy. It's liquidy. It dries down, but you would be here for a while, a little while, trying to make this into a nice liner. But you could do it. But you see this here? It's got separation in pigment. So I would be building that up for a while, definitely. See how that is? And of course I'd have to fix it and all that stuff. So as far as a liner goes, like I said, you'd be here for a while doing that, but you could probably get it done. It would look nice. I am just going to put what's left on the wand on that eye. And then we're going to take this and spread it out and blend it. Just like a one color eyeshadow. That's what we're doing with it. Let's see how it dries down and blends. Dries pretty quick. But it looks like you could definitely, I wonder if you could, I'm sure you could mix the colors with this and you could definitely come up with a nice eye look. I'm sure that you can. I'm not sure of the price. I don't remember exactly what the price are on these. And I don't know if it's waterproof or not. It says print fluid eye paint. Let's see what it says on the box. Bold one swipe punch of color that delivers rich, buildable pigment, long-lasting, semi-matte, and water-resistant formula. Yep, vegan, cruelty-free, all that stuff. Made in Italy. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, it definitely went down evenly and it blended and spread just fine with the brush. This is a crown brush. We got these in Boxy a month or two ago, I think. But overall, I have to say it's fine. I could definitely go ahead and put on some black liner and some mascara and all that stuff and be good to go with this. Worth noting that liquid liner does not go on smooth. After using this, it doesn't. It's not coming off, but eyeliner, yeah, it definitely doesn't go on smooth. I had to do a couple coats and mess with it there, but I'm going to finish up with my Pat McGrath Labs mascara. And I usually wear falsies, so I have to say though, I guess like, I'm messing things up. These might be good if you go to the beach and you just wanted to throw a color on your eyes. What is going on with my lashes here? I always wear false ones, so there's probably glue still stuck in them. But yeah, definitely. Okay, let me fix that. Okay guys, so I decided not to put on false lashes today because I'm getting ready to go to bed anyway. But I'm going to tell you my thoughts on these products. That is my daughter, Kayla. I can't wait to try the skincare. I'm going to be honest with you. I definitely want to see what this argan oil has. It's a Korean skincare, and I'm really curious to see how well it works and if it has anti-aging properties in it. It says hydrate, rejuvenate, and protect. So we're going to see how that works. I'll have to update you on that. And this Universal C Skin Refiner, it says radiant, smoother, more even textured skin from first use to last. So we'll have to see if this works as well. But I'm definitely excited to try that. Skincare is, I'm all about it, especially being over 40. Okay, and then we've got the foundations. I used them both. I'm going to be honest with you. This one was a little more liquidy than this one was, but overall, same consistency. They dried down pretty fast, but this one dried down faster than what the Makeup Forever did. And this one had more coverage than what the other one did. So I put this one on first, and putting this one on first, it was a little bit light. So I was like, all right, let me mix it with this one. And I actually caught my skin tone doing it that way. And I got more of a full coverage when I put this on right after that. Again, I'll have to put the prices on the screen for you, but I'm excited to see how long these wear and how well pictures with Ultra HD, because sometimes you can take a picture and you will see flashes of light if a foundation has too much sunscreen in it or something like that. So, and some of the HD powders, it will do like a flashback and you just, it doesn't look good. So I'm gonna take some pictures. We're gonna see how that is, see how my thumbnail comes out. And with this one here, I'm gonna try this one by itself the next time I do a video, and I will give you updates on that. So I want to say thank you so much for taking the time to join me for this video. I do have a few giveaways going on. If you're new, I would love it if you talk to me down in the comments. Tell me what kind of things you'd like to see me review. I do have the Naked Wild Wild West palette that I will be reviewing sometime this week, and I have a giveaway going on for the Huda Mint palette. I got the rose, and I have a video going up on this as well. But the mint one I'm giving away in my spoiler video, and I'll put that link in here. And guys, just thank you. Thank you for being here. I love you guys so very much, and I'll see you real soon in another video. Bye.